Let's start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. Let's do this. So this is an entire series where I'm going to share with you how to start affiliate marketing from scratch and how you can make $5,000 to $10,000 per month with it. And yes, it's a fork mic. So what is affiliate marketing and why is everyone on TikTok talking about it right now? Well, affiliate marketing is just a way to make money online where you are promoting another company's product or service in exchange for a commission. So whenever someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you get paid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Now, there's a reason why affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online and why ordinary people like me and you are having success with it. Number one, you don't have to create your own product or service. You don't have to sell the product, do customer service, or hold any inventory whatsoever. And it's low cost and low risk because you're selling other people's products. All right, so I'm not going to spend any more time explaining affiliate marketing. Go Google it yourself. So let's dive into step one on getting started. All right, step number one, most important step is picking your niche or niche or niche or niche, whatever you want to call it. Now, the biggest mistake people make is going too broad with their niche. So for example, photography is a very broad niche. So what we want to do is we want to niche down, meaning we want to be a little more specific. So instead of going for photography, we might go for wedding photography. And yes, that's actually me because I'm getting married soon. Yay! Now, most people, when it comes to picking your niche, they'll tell you this: you have to follow your passion, so pick the niche you're most passionate about. I disagree. Instead of focusing on passion, I recommend you focusing on profits. I'd rather you make money from a profitable niche and then reinvest that money into your passion, because just because you're passionate doesn't mean you can make money from it. The most profitable niche is going to be the make money online niche, and honestly, I recommend it because if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in it anyways. So that is step one. Gonna dive into step two in the next video. So follow me and make sure you comment on this video so I can tag you on the next video.